This man is going through last week's diary. Spot where he was each weekday, starting with Jaloin, Monday.
Catyn Jachshev.
Jaloin, ga ik mee gaan office.
Jamarst.
Jamarst, ga ik mee gaan vu, Safeways. Die keertin, ga ik mee gaan vallen.
Jirtun.
Jirtun, ga ik mee gaan skol.
Agus Jehunia.
En die, ga ik mee gaan office.
2 days in the office can't be bad. The other places mentioned were gan skol, to the school, gan vala, to the town, and gan vu, to the shop. Eishtje veriisht, and take note of anje, yesterday, anje.
Catyn Jachshev.
Jaloin, ga ik mee gaan office.
Jamarst.
Jamarst, ga ik mee gaan vu, Safeways. Die keertin, ga ik mee gaan vallen.
Jirtun.
Jirtun, ga ik mee gaan skol.
Agus Jehunia.
En die, ga ik mee gaan office.
NJ, yesterday. NJ. NJ.
You will also need a ryer, last night. A ryer. A ryer. A ryer. Ask me where I went yesterday.
Catyn Jachshev NJ. Catyn Jachshev NJ.
Ask me where I went last night.
Catyn Jachshev a ryer. Catyn Jachshev a ryer.
Chai mi gan var. I went to the pub. Chai sheen gan var. We went to the pub.
You may be asked where you were at a certain time. Catyn Roshev. Where were you? Catyn Roshev. Catyn Roshev.
Madyn va, is Misha Inspector Gordon. Jane nuair hai.
Jehurin.
Karst, Meister Campbell. Catyn Roshev and Jay.
En die, van mij ek en ty.
Ek and hai. Agus Catyn Roshev a ryer.
A ryer,
A ryer a goch Gordon.
van mij ek en ty a ryer.
And raw.
Waar mij ek en hy, waar film met een television. Carry on, doctor. As tell him, said James.
Catyn Roshev. Where were you? Catyn Roshev. And Roshev. And Roshev. Catyn Roshev. Catyn Roshev.
I am at home is Hammy ag and hi. If you want to say I was at home, use var me. Var me ag and hi. Var me ag and hi. Va film in television. There was a film on the television.
Madyn va, is Misha Inspector Gordon. Jay nuair hai.
Jehuren.
Karst, Meister Campbell. Kajan Rushiv and Jay.
And Jay, Vami Egentai.
Egan tai. Agus Kaja Rushiv a roir.
A Ryer,
A roir a goch Gordon.
Vami Egentai a Ryer.
And raw.
Vami Egentai, va film than television. Carry on, doctor. As tell him, said James.
You may be asked, Katin Roshev in Tjechken Sachai. Where were you last week? In Tjechken Sachai. In Tjechken Sachai. If so, you are likely to need other phrases.
One all-purpose phrase is Vami falav. I was away. Vami falav. 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 Vami falav. Vami falav.
If you want to be more specific, you may need Vami chuarsht. I was on a trip. Or Vami suurleihen. I was on holiday. Chuarsht. Chuarsht. Vami chuarsht. Vami chuarsht.
Suurleihen. Suurleihen. Vami suurleihen. Vami suurleihen. You take part in the following situations, responding as suggested.
Fisker ma. Hai bria noch. Kajan Rushiv and Tjechken Sachai.
Say you were away.
Falav. Gleva. Anjeva.
Say good night.
Madyn va. Hai furen you. Kajan Rushiv and Tjechken Sachai.
Say you were on a trip.
Chorst. Gleva. Maar sint lief.
Say goodbye now.
Fisker ma. Hai bria you. Kajan Rushiv and Tjechken Sachai.
Say you were on holiday.
Suurleihen. Gleva. Kajan Jekshiv.
Say you went to Inverness.
All is talum in niche.
Chamikuinernish. Before the roundup, remember that you can use oo instead of shiv if you are talking to a close friend or a child. Kajanjach shiv, where did you go, can become Kajanjach oo. Kajanro shiv, where were you, can become Kajanro oo. Eishtiv. Chanel mia tukshin.
This is the only place on the tape where you'll be asked to say anything in English.